Hello friends, hope you are fine. So today we are going to draw a cute little kitty. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to be alerted of new crafty fun videos when they come out. So first I got a marker and we are going to draw a cute Hello Kitty. First step, we are going to draw Hello Kitty little bow. So we will draw a circle and then we are going to draw the other part of the bow, and it says shape like that, and then we can draw a half circle here and half circle there, and then we will make leaves of this bow. First here, and this same like here also. Now we are going to draw a Hello Kitty head, and it's a big U shape, and we are going to start over here and we are going to draw the U, and then we are going to end right here in the U or side of the bow. Here we go. Alright, now we are going to draw her ears, and we are just going to draw a little point right here. And then we are going to draw the top of her head, and then we are going to draw her other ear right here inside the bow. Now we are going to draw her eyes, and they are kind of spaced far apart, and so we are going to draw an oval, one oval and then another oval of the other side. In the eyes, I will draw the shady eyes, so I will draw two small circles inside the eyes, and then I will color them. Now we will draw the little nose in oval shape. Now we are going to draw her body. First thing we are going to do is two bigger oval. We are going to do two big ovals, and these are her feet because she is sitting down. Two big oval, then draw one line that comes down and another line that come down over here, and then draw a curved line. Now we will draw her hand. It's very easy. First you have to make her thumb and then all the fingers, and then you will separate them like arm and the hand. Exactly same here, we will draw the hand, one thumb and all the fingers. Here we will make a half circle to shape her clothes. So this is how we can draw a cute little kitty. So now we will fill the colors. forgot to draw a whisker. I will draw 3 whisker on each side. I draw like that, and same exactly here. I hope you enjoyed the drawing of cute little kitty. For more crafty fun videos and drawings like this, be sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification to be alerted of new crafty fun videos and drawings when they come out. See you tomorrow. Thank you. Bye.